Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tasha on Demand. I hope I got everything focused. I've been playing with it for about 5 minutes. The title is the 7/1/2026 drop. However, I did not get anything from that drop. I'm going to tell you what I got. I did do some shopping for the weekend, the 4th of July weekend. But what I do is I go over to the clearance and do my shopping and get the things that I've been wanting because I know most retail stores, even Coach, try to clear out their inventory. The things that they were overstocked, maybe not that popular, or some things that were in the store that didn't sell, so they make them available online. Because if you have bought something that initially sold out and it showed back up on the website and you got it and it wasn't factory wrapped, it's probably because it came from the store or it was a return and you get it for a cheaper price. So I don't know what's in what. All of these three came today. So, and you know it came in this. I have okay. So if you pull the little deal on these, you don't have to worry about the inside. So let's see what is this. It is okay. First of all, yep, it is a double zip wristlet. This is in the powder pink. So I was scrolling over there, just random, and ran across this in this factory wrap, and I got the powder pink wristlet. And ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching, I got this for $50. 50. So I quickly put it in my cart and checked out. And I think I bought something else because I wanted to make sure I met that threshold of $75. But it is the powder pink double wristlet, and it does have the little charm. And this is from the most recent powder pink drop. So at least I was able to get this, and I got it at a discount, and it was factory wrapped. So yay! Okay, let's move on to the next item. I'm just gonna set this right here, and let's try to open this one as well. Out. Most of these are SLGs that I have. So let's set this right here. So this is the corner zip denim signature, and I think it was like $30 or something like that. But I seen this as well. Let me check out. So it is factory wrapped as well. And it's just a regular wristlet. It does have the little tag in the inside with the horse and carriage in this one. Let's see if it's in this one. Yep, it is. It's in there as well. I really like this because it'll fit everything, like my phone that I don't have close by. Where's my phone? Oh, it's up there. So I'll get it. But this is just the denim, the cloth. It's nice. It would have been nice to see this in a Rowan. Yeah, Coach. Rowan. Okay, let's see what's next. This is the pony. Am I pronouncing it right? I don't, this is, mm, I don't know what the leather is, but this is what it is. I know they made 3 wallets like this. The other 2 did not have charms on them, but this one popped up as well. And so I was like, let me grab this as well. From what I paid for it, I don't think it was a sale. I just think that it came available. Let's get this tag off. I will keep it inside of the wallet, the tag, but it has the Coach tag. It has a little cherry, and it has a little rainbow. And like I said, I don't think that the other ones that they made like this came with the charms on the zipper pull. And oh, it's cute. I think it comes with a little bag. Let's see. Let's see what is this. No, it's just a cloth. Maybe it's a cloth to wash because it's a different type of leather. And comes with the paperwork. Yep, this is factory wrapped for sure. I wouldn't have never thought it would have came factory wrapped. So let me put this little cloth back in here. If anybody know why they put this in here, tell me in the comments. But yeah, she's cute. And let's get this paper out of here. Yeah. Number 3. So far we have the double wristlet, like an extra large, the pink signature denim, and this pony. I don't know what leather this is, but she's cute. And I said I was going to get my phone to see if I don't need that alarm thing going off. Let's see if she fit. So this will fit keys. Of course, I left my keys in my room. I'm still in the denim. I have a stain on it. I have a few stains on the bottom. So I'm still in my Love Denim Lori or whatever it's called. But I think this will hold another wristlet inside of it, which I wouldn't do all of that. And it probably will hold keys or key fob and maybe some lotion, hand sanitizer. Like, this is a whole little purse on its own. So to have gotten it for $50, that was a steal. I'm so excited about this one. These 2, I think, like I said, were regular price. This was $30. So you tell me if this was listed for more. I didn't even get a chance to see these on the website. They were already gone as soon as the drop. So tell me if it was more than $30 when it initially dropped. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of clean this up. And we're gonna move on to the next item. So these are the Zip CC Snake Embossed Leather Wallets. I don't think these were really a favorite of a lot of people's. I picked it. Oh, it really feel like snakeskin. I picked them up because they were marked down. First of all, I think they were regular like $69, so they got down to 40, and I'm thinking, oh, what can I do with this? But I'm gonna show you what bag I got this for when I do an unboxing for that bag. And then I got, and this is in the yellow. It is very yellow with gold hardware. have to cut that down because I don't want to get copyrights. Because the goal is to hit 1,000 and be monetized. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, okay? So I had to pause because I think my phone overheated and I had to go in and save some content in order to make room to continue this video. So I did try. I don't know where I left off at. Um, this does not fit. It does not. I was thinking, should I keep the wallet? They did have the tabby. They made a tabby 26 and a 20. And the 20 sit on the website for a few days before it sold out. And I put it in my cart and I started to check out, and I didn't because I think they had it for like $229 or $239 or something like that. But it was $200, and regular 20 tabbies can run $325. So it was a really deep discount, which would have went well with this wallet. Again, this color in this leather style came in 3 different wallets in this color. I just probably should have went with a smaller one if I wanted it to fit in here. But I don't think this is really wallet friendly no matter what type of wallet you put in, because I was just testing this while I was waiting and it won't fit. So maybe a card holder will fit. I don't know. Here's what we know will fit. Keys, no phone, credit card, hand sanitizer, a little bit of makeup, so something you need to like a touch up. It could hold a contact. It probably will hold, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And I did try it on. I did it the long way. Let's just zip it up. And it will do a crossbody as well. And I'm 5'7", so I'm pretty tall. So yep, if that'll give you an idea of how this look. I know for a fact I'm keeping the purse because it was a deep discount. It's like half the price of when it originally dropped. I was thinking, who in the world gonna spend $175 for this? Okay, let's take that all the way down. Okay, so yes, that is my Coach drop haul. I just got everything that was on sale. That's it. Because you know these were sold out. So I got these, which was good. And this is a novelty bag. You either like it or you don't. There's no in between. I think it's cute. You know, I'm in a pink room. So if nothing else, this cutie will just hang on the wall somewhere and be on display. And whenever I'm feeling pink in love and heart, I will pair this with an outfit. And knowing that I'm not able to put my phone in here, and the only thing that I can carry is my Bare essentials. So like I said, maybe a lipstick, maybe a compact or pressed powder, um, key fob, keys. I only have 2 keys, my house key and my car key on my ring. And the rest of that stuff is just a keychain. So I can remove my keys and just put the Bare essentials here. And it has a little credit card holder. So just driver's license and 1 or 2 cards on the side. And you are good to go. The inside is all leather. It does have the Coach Grade. Um, uh, and it also has the little Coach label with the horse and carriage. What else? She's cute. Like I said, she's a novelty bag. Either you like her or you don't. My thing is the wallet not fitting. So it's like, what am I gonna pair this with if I keep it? Right? I have a lot of bags, so, and then I like the charms. I might keep this. And then I opened it. But somebody else will buy it. Like I said, someone will buy it because these probably are not coming back. But I wish I would have went ahead and got that Tabby 20 for 200 and some change. I put it in my car and got distracted and it was gone. But it stayed on there for 2 or 3 days. And like I said, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with these. This has its own little mini ruin coming. This video is super long, but I did unboxing for 5 things. These came together, and these came together, packaged together, I think. And this was separate. I don't know what I bought with this, but I did buy something. I also got some charms that were on sale. So that's what I did. I went over there to the clearance and I did me some thrift shopping, bargain shopping. And I'm going to go ahead and let everyone go because it's 11 o'clock. I've had a long day. I've been at work. I went to the record store with my middle child. You know, I have a set of twin girls. So my second born, which is my middle child, me and her went to a record store and I found, this has nothing to do with bags, but she found it actually. And she said she had it in CD. And I was like, oh, you gonna let your mama buy this? And she said yes. So I was able to find a Stevie Wonder album from 1967, Motown Records, and you can hear the gentleman explain that he charged based off the quality and the age of the album. So I think I only paid like $6 for the album because he said it's so old, and he said he don't have any prices on the albums. He listened to them and then he tell you how much based off what he hear. And it is so, the collection at that place is crazy. So we didn't have very much time because we waited till the office closed before we went over. And so yeah, and I also earlier today I went and had lunch with my son. So I spent most of my day with my children. I did do some work at the office, I did, but just not a full day. I'm trying to take this off. My goodness, it got tangled. Okay, there goes one. So I had lunch with my son, got back from lunch with him, and then I went and had my shopping outing with my daughter because she had been wanting to go to the record store, but she wanted to go with me. And she know I sit in this room since it's been, um, since I've been able to actually sit in here and have furniture and everything. I come in here at the end of my day and I put on a vintage album. Sammy Davis Jr., it could be Kenny G. I have today I just bought Stevie Wonder and a Bob Marley album. And that's because we were in a time crunch. We were only able to be in there for about 30 minutes. So, but I got me some albums and that's what I'm listening to now. And I'm going to wrap this video up. Thank you, and clean up this mess and go get me some rest. But yeah, I like this. I like her. And like I said, what I'm probably going to do is just kind of use her as decor until I'm ready to carry her. She do kind of lean tilt to the front. And it could be these charms, but we'll play with it. I let everyone know when I move into it and how it carried and what outfit I wore it with and all of that good stuff. So until the next video, she's a cutie. Cutie, cutie, cutie. Until the next video, I will see everyone later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.